Hey guys, my name is Nicole and welcome to NicoleTopics. Today's topic is how to play Roblox on a Chromebook. Now, if you guys have been with this channel for a while, you would probably notice that I already posted this video already a year and a half ago. And since I posted that video a year and a half ago, it is now currently my most popular video that I posted on my channel, and it has helped a lot of people, which makes me really happy about that actually. But around December 2018, literally before 2019 began, the Chromebook's layout changed a little. So now if you watch that video, it's basically giving you guys outdated information. So, this topic today is basically me reusing an idea, but making it a more updated version. So let's begin, shall we? Before you can even play Roblox, you want to make sure you have Google Play. Now, since I posted my first version of this video, most Chromebooks now just have Google Play in their stable channel or their default channel. So if you were just to open your Chromebook, you would have found Google Play. But if for some reason you can't find the Play Store on there or anywhere in your Chromebook for some reason, then it's probably in another channel, either beta or developer. So if you guys can already see Google Play, then you can skip to this part of the video. But if you don't, then stay here. The Chromebook has 3 channels. You got the default stable, then you got beta and developer. In this website I'm showing you guys right now from chromium.org, it gives you a list of all the Chromebooks that offer Google Play. If for some reason you find your Chromebook in this list and next to it says planned like this one, then unfortunately you cannot get Google Play on your Chromebook at the moment and you'll have to wait. But if you found your Chromebook and it does not say planned, then you want to open up your settings by clicking on the time place and click this thing next to the lock. And your settings should shortly open up. Click About OS and then click Detailed Build Information. In your detailed build information, you're going to find a lot of information about your Chromebook. But what you really want to pay attention to is the third row called Channel. When you find Channel, you'll see that there's a little button next to it you can press on called Change Channel. Once you click on that, it gives you the choices to change your channel to stable, beta, or developer. Once you choose the channel that you need to switch it to be able to access Google Play, just click on the channel and there will be this button here called Change Channel and Power Wash. After you click the Change Channel and Power Wash, your Chromebook is basically gonna reset. So now you just want to click on Google Play or the Play Store and just let it open up. And you want to click on this bar and just search Roblox. Once you find Roblox, just click install and it should download. Once Roblox is installed, you can now open it. And you'll notice that when you open it, it's basically in the mobile device tablet form. But it should still work with your keyboard and mouse. And once you log in, you should be able to see all of this. Now, in order to access games, you might notice that your shelf is kind of blocking that, so just click the full screen button on your keyboard, which should be on the right from your refresh key, or the 5th button down starting at the left side. And now your Chromebook is on full screen. From then you should be able to access most games or games mobile device players can play on. Now my suggestion when you go in a game is to immediately set your graphic quality to the lowest it can be. That way you won't experience much lag. Also, for some reason, if you're not able to move with the WASD keys or with the arrow keys right away, then just go to your settings and just switch around your movement mode and you should be able to move. Also, for some reason, if your mouse just doesn't appear, then just go up here and click the black bar a few times and you should be able to see where you're clicking on. If you want to use shift lock, go to settings and enable it. But yeah, that is how you play Roblox on a Chromebook for 2019. I hope this video has helped you guys, and thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheerio!